Oh, hello everybody. Christos and Christos first. Today we're going to talk about this, I would say about 10,000 years old apparatus, which is modern day we call it a weaving machine or a loom. In this case, we always talk about plastic. Every one of us throw away our plastic bags. We cut the plastic bags like a thread, and then we put it together like this so we can use the apparatus for weaving. These are plastic bottles. We cut them certain way to create a thread, and then we put it all around this gadget, and this gadget goes through. I don't know if the camera can come closer. These are 500 threads, all cotton threads, and they all separated back here so they don't get tangled up. Okay, so and this is like a piano. You gotta play with this to mix the plastics, the threads, the fur, and the polyesters, whatever else we upcycle it. So this, for example, will come all the way through out on that side, completely out, and we lock it. And this is what we create here. It takes about 1 hour of constantly working at it to make it about 12 inches. Now this, my friends, is really the raw recycling of plastic at Christos First. The reason I say that is this. Do you see any electricity here? No. Which means that we don't burn the plastic, we don't melt it, we don't leave carbon footprint. So this is a directly weaving on this looming apparatus. Now, once we're done with this, you can take the material out. Even to take the material out from all these 500 threads that roll back there, I don't know if we can see that. Just to threaten this machine, you need about 2-3 days. So once we're done, we take it out and we upholster your chairs. Okay? We can cover your computers. We can make cases for your computers because it's soft, so they don't break. We make jackets for you. With a matching purse. Now, this is just the colors that we decide to make. We can do different colors, something like this, for example. You can make different styles. So these are unique materials, styles that we make with plastic bags, and these are the plastic bags and bottles, if you can come close. Now, furthermore, here at Christos First, we put this shoulder strip on your shoulders, and it doesn't matter if you buy it from us or anywhere else. You bring us your garment, and we put this leather strip, and your purse is always locked. You never forget it on the countertops. It never falls on the floor if you're in a hurry, and your purse is snaps on the top, so everything is there. So this is what we do with the plastic bags and plastic water bottles. So what we say, what we do, we do. We don't just say it that we recycle in plastic bags and bottles. Now on this side, I'm going to show you another unique garment that we made. anything that we make and you're going to see eventually every week from us, any of these garments that you wear, they will send ABC, CBS, KF5, whatever is those abbreviations are, to chase you on highways, byways, alleys, to ask you, where did you get that? Another example is this jacket. Everybody, I shouldn't say everybody, there is no such thing everybody. A lot of us, we use fake hair. Now the fake hair is plastic. So in plastic, it doesn't biodegrade, again, for 1,000 years, killing fish, wildlife, toxic to the water you drink. I will never stop saying that. So we take the plastic hair, and this is what we make. This is the front. We even mix it to give you highlights. And this is the real Mongolian lamb fur. And this is the back of the jacket. So this is made of a fake hair. Every one of us, in one time or another, we use glasses. And glasses are plastic. And they don't biodegrade again for 1,000 years. So we take your sunglasses and we turn them into fun, spring, summer, a vest or a coat or a jacket. And this is the matching purse. Now we go even beyond that. We take the top of the sunglasses. I don't know if you can come close. So these are the top. And we make toys for kids. But I don't know, can you see it well, the camera? This, my friends, made out of a walnut, wood, metal, and cotton. Which means if this is thrown away, this will biodegrade in 6 months, except this. So we're recycling those as well. Should we do one more garment, you think? We do one more, even though the camera said no, but I want to show one more garment. This one is made with your scarves. Can you see the whole garment? So these, your favorite scarves, you stop wearing it for whatever reason, you bring it to us and we make a spring and fall unique garment. And they never will be the same garment because every scarf is different and we put them in different places, so you will never see anybody else with the same garment. So I should center it so you can see the red in the middle, right? Is it centered? Is it centered, everybody? So if you like to make something completely unique for yourself, let us know. If you have an idea with what else we can make outerwear, let us know. Thank you.